If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Deuce Coupe double zip wallet by Pin It Up Patterns. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So one thing I love about this bag is it was written by myself and my partner Anna. And we are Pin It Up Patterns. So this is our first wallet design and I think it is perfect. So what's really special about this is it's kind of a build your own wallet type of an idea, and I'll show you what I mean. So this one here, this one has all of the bells and whistles in it. It has all of the pockets. Coco says hi, by the way. So you have a choice. You can hook the wristlet onto zipper pulls depending what the zipper pulls are, if there's holes in them. Otherwise, there's a little teeny tiny D-ring here that you can also clip that onto. If you have it clipped onto your zippers with one swoop, you can open both pockets. So the front of the bag, this opens right up nice and flat. And it has 5 card slots, one of them being a ID window as well as a slip pocket, and then another slip pocket here which fits Canadian money perfectly. I think most money is the same size, but fits perfectly in there. On this other side, it is a gusseted coin purse, so you got plenty of room to store more receipts or cards or what have you in these slip pockets, as well as a generous coin purse. So this is the one that has everything. So if you wanted an original Deuce Coupe, that is what you order. Now we can completely customize this. So let me show you what I mean by that. So here is another example. So what's different about this one? Again, this one you can't hook the zipper pulls onto, or the wristlet onto it, because it doesn't have holes in the zipper pull, but it definitely has the corset ring. This one I have made so it opens completely flat. It has no gussets at all. So on this side here, you have 10 card slots, including your ID window, 2 slip pockets, and on the other side, 10 more with 2 more slip pockets. So that is 20 card slots and 4 slip pockets in this not huge wallet. It packs a mighty punch, that is for sure. It doesn't have the coin purse in this version, but hey, if you're like me, you don't really carry any change anyways. So yeah, and if you just needed something for the buggy, say your loonie or quarter or dollar or wherever you live, you could just always stick it in the side there. So that is another version you can have it if you just wanted it to be all for card slots. Now, best of both worlds of the original and the 20 card slot version is this one. So I've made this one pretty similar. When you open it up at the front, it flops open, and this one has 10 card slots and 2 slip pockets. So we've left off that one large slip pocket on the one side to add in 5 more card slots, and then on the opposite side you have your gusseted coin purse, just like the original. So really this is a make your own style of wallet. So yeah, if you are one of my clients wanted me to make one of these, you just gotta let me know what you would like it made out of. Now if you are part of the bag makers community, the great thing about these 3 styles is, of course, it was designed on an industrial machine, but guaranteed that this one, depending on if you're smart with your fabric choices, with all the card slots, this is your most domestic friendly version. They can all be made on a domestic machine. We did test that out. If you're smart with your choices for what you make it out of, but we have all that listed out in the pattern. This one would be the medium domestic friendly one. This one would be the one that may challenge your machine depending on how it is with thicknesses. But that is what's so great about this pattern, is you can customize it to fit all of your needs, depending if you have an industrial, if you're on a quilting machine, if you're on a heavy duty machine. There is a bag for, or a wallet for everybody here. Anyways, I was getting a little worried. If you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of the Bagmakers community, of course there's a tutorial on this one. Make sure you grab your pattern. All of that's linked down below. The pattern can be found on the Galaxy Customs website. Just look for the little tab that says Pin It Up Patterns. You'll find all of our patterns there. And yeah, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.